Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Venmo for money management, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Venmo website URL. Press enter on your keyboard. Wait for the page to load completely. Look for the sign in button, typically located in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid login issues. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Ensure that your password is typed correctly, paying attention to capitalization. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your email or phone number. Once all fields are filled out correctly, click on the Sign In button. Wait for the system to process your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Venmo account dashboard. If you encounter an error message, check your email or phone number and password again. If you still can't log in, consider contacting Venmo's customer support for assistance. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Explore the app features to manage your money effectively. You are now ready to use Venmo for transactions, payments, and money management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.